What's up guys? My name's Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited because we're doing a travel backpack review, okay? This backpack, if it is what they say it is, this could potentially be the coolest new travel edition for all of our travelers and people on the go out there, okay? I'm super excited. If you're new around here, you probably don't know, I'm a world traveler and I'm always looking for the next suitcase, carry-on bag, packing cube of sorts, or in this case, backpack that I review and try to streamline and make my traveling life easier and share that with you. So, let's see if this travel backpack by Low & Sons is as good as it's propped up to be, and if it'll pack all of my electronics, because that's what the main purpose of this bag is gonna be. All right, let's do an unboxing, review it, and see if it is Jetlag Liv approved. Okay, so the bag I'm gonna be reviewing here today is actually gonna replace my current personal item on flights. Okay, so I'm gonna be reviewing the Low & Sons Rallage backpack. All right, I'm super excited because some of the things that this backpack boasts, if they're like really true, are sickening. Like, it's so exciting. Like, as a traveler, having kind of like the latest and most versatile gear can make or break a travel experience. So, let's open it. Okay, so here she is. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, it's already looking amazing. Okay, so we got a little protector here. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna let you guys look first. How is it? Is it awesome? Ooh. Oh my, okay. Well, let me unpack this. 1 second. Oh my god. Look at this. Okay, so as I said, this is by Low & Sons. It's a really cool business. I've worked with them before, and so they sent me this to do a sponsored review. If I like it, I'll let you know. If I don't like it, I'll let you know. It's all the same to me. But so far, she's stunning. She's stunning. Oh my gosh. So you've seen me do a review by this brand before for the Catalina Deluxe Tote, which was like a first class bag. I use that everywhere. I brought that to my wedding. I packed that for my wedding. I brought it to Ireland, France, Scotland. It's incredible. So I've got high hopes for this bag, but let's put it to the test. Okay, first impressions. First impressions, you guys. Insane. Very high quality nylon and what feels like leather. I'm not sure if it's real leather, but let me find out. I'll research and get back to you. Like, this front is leather and then the backpack itself is nylon. And I went with the gold hardware and a lavender interior. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my god. Oh, this pocket's huge. Look at that. That pocket is huge. Okay, but they advertise this front pocket is a great way to store a lot of small objects and keep them organized, like lipstick, you know, like, or in my case, chapstick. Your like phone, maybe you could put in here, wallet for sure, your keys, definitely. I'm already so impressed. This is insane. Okay, and then I really am excited to test out the laptop compartment. So the selling point for me personally, when I saw that this was a laptop bag and that I could put my laptop in here and store it safely instead of just bouncing around in my bag, I was sold. So let's take a closer look. Okay, so one of the cool things, actually there's too many cool things. There is a drink holder here on the side. It can hold your beverage, and it also unzips with a little stretchy thing for you to hold your water bottle. Game changer. And then here we go, guys. The selling point I was talking to you about was the included padded laptop sleeve that has a waterproof zipper. Yeah, so this, you can see here, the zipper is lined in like, it's not neoprene, it's almost like, it looks like the electrical tape you put around wires, you know, like the, Oh my gosh, here we go. I'm gonna try it. And then in here, it's padded, protected. Let's try it with my 13-inch laptop, because I think this one should fit here. Beautiful. Honestly, I think you could go a little bit bigger. I think you could do the 15-inch, like 15-inch MacBook. I think that would fit in here too, but mine's just 13-inch. And then she's waterproof and protected. I love that, because if I'm carrying this and like I get caught in the rain, I know for a fact my, what are they up to now? Like $1,500 laptop is gonna be protected. And then another cool thing that I saw I wanted to tell you guys about, look at this. This is a little phone stash compartment for like if you're on the go. It's padded in here too. So you could just take your phone, like going through security, you know, where you never know where to put your phone and you can't wear it, just stash it right in there. Are you kidding me? That's so sick. Oh my God. Okay, I wanna look inside the big compartment before I get too carried away with like the tech housing. Okay, oh wow. Oh, they also come with a dust cover to protect your bag. That's crazy, so cool. Okay, guys, there's so much room in here. There's so much room. And then of course it's in that lavender. What is this? Oh, I was gonna say it's in that beautiful lavender color, but check this out. This is like some sort of CIA spy thing. So these unbutton, I guess? Let's see. Do they? Okay. There's one, two. What is this? Does this just come out? Does this separate it? Wait. Is this what I think it is? An insert? Okay, so all of those organized structures and like the pockets and everything, they come out. Probably so you can wash them. What? A convertible backpack? What the heck? So this is just like, that's amazing. And then look at all this space. If you don't want that structure and you just want a big empty bag. Oh my gosh, and there's even pockets here so you can just like throw like little, whatever you need handy, I suppose. And but it still has a good structure to it. I do love this though, this is really cool. I'm gonna keep that in there because I like the organization. Okay, this is, I had to put my hair up because I'm getting so into this bag, guys. Like, I have to collect myself here for a minute because this is not your cheapy Amazon backpack. Okay, like, I feel like this is a piece of technology itself, let alone having to house mine. These straps here, they connect right under here to form a backpack, okay? So these are just tucked right underneath here. This right here, pop that out, clip the ring on, and you've got a backpack. Okay, tell me how it looks, be honest. Is it cute? I feel like it's so cute. I love that. And then you can also convert it into a tote, which these straps tuck in to this external pocket, I guess, like this. And what you would do is you'd unclip them. So sick. And tuck them in here like this, so it's super like streamlined and still like chic. And then it's tote status. Look at that. Another one of my, if it doesn't have this, I don't want it kind of deal breaker here, is the pass-through suitcase hold, okay? So this bottom zipper unzips here, and just like their Catalina Deluxe tote, this backpack can slide right onto the arm of a suitcase. And then when you're traveling, it stays on the suitcase. It doesn't flop around, doesn't fall off and cause anything to break like I've had in the past. Okay, let me pack some of my goodies in here, which include my drone, My laptop's already in here. I definitely want to include my camera bag. So that's this camera bag I want to put in there, which my camera is being used right now, but oh my God. Okay, you saw how big that was, and that fit right in there. Okay, I definitely want to make sure I put my mic in here. Keep it protected like that, and I feel good because it's padded, so. And then for the sake of the video and not really being so organized right now while prepping to leave for a year, I'm gonna put my loose cords in here. And I mean, I'm keeping it real, okay? I'm gonna put a mini tripod in here too. Oh, it's perfect. And then I also have a flotation buoy, if you will, for my GoPro. And just to see if I can push this bag, I'm gonna put my huge toiletry bag in here and see if we can make that work too. 1 second. So, I've got this much room, you can see. It's not a ton, but I do have that structured like padding in. I think I prefer to keep that. Let me see what I can fit. Let's see if this microphone. Okay, so you kind of crammed this in a little bit. You're kidding me. And then these cords that I took out, I can put here in this little, kind of looks like a little electronics storage like organizer. And that's pretty deep. So I could put, let's see what else. I could put my camera charger in here, or I have this little honeymoon survival kit I can put in there. But this is gonna be the bag I'm gonna be taking. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This looks killer. I'm looking in the mirror over here. Crazy. Okay, hold on. All right, so this is what it looks like on, but look at it. How does it look? Is it so awesome? It's padded straps, so it's actually kind of comfortable in terms of, I mean, it's a heavy backpack nonetheless, but oh man, it's so sick. What do you think? Hold on, let me strap. Oh, it's the Rallage. I hope I'm saying that right. Either way, it's freaking sick. Guys, that is my review of the Low & Sons Rowledge awesome laptop backpack, okay? And I will link it below if you want to shop. I've got a direct link, and that'll be in the description. And this is absolutely jet lag approved. I will talk to you guys when I'm back from my honeymoon and on the road country hopping for the next year with my husband. I am super excited, but that's all I have for you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.